What's up, guys? We are back at it. We are getting the dirt moved. A lot of dirt. When you dig a hole this big, there is a lot of dirt. Got started this morning, same time, 7:30 a.m. We're going to be digging out the rest of this hole today, hopefully. And also, we're going to start pecking away at moving some of this dirt. So definitely one of the challenges is keeping up with all the dirt. So we have a pile kind of going over there that we're getting rid of, and then we have this great big pile over here that we already had set up, and we're going to be using that as our backfill. But we have to keep moving the dirt out of the way, otherwise he can't get in here and do his digging. So this morning we got to cover a little bit of ground. We got this area here sectioned out, so now we have basically a nice L. It's a little deeper and wider than it was, and then this has to go all the way back here too. Whew! Will we get it done today? I don't know. It's already 12 o'clock. That's my buddy Greg. He wanted to work the tractor for a little bit. He never drove one before. So I had to give him the crash course on learning how to drive that old Alice Chalmers. Old Farmer Greg. Not his first scoop. Not much in that bucket though. You're gonna have to get more than that. He'll get the hang of it. It's nice when you're pretty good at learning stuff. You know, I can drive anything that has wheels and a steering wheel. And even a boat. Here comes the big boy. Oh, I think there he goes. If you can't find them, grind them. Take him a couple times, he'll get it down. Yeah, we got to keep moving that dirt. Day 2 down. We got another large section dug out here. And you can see right there, we had a little bit of a collapse overnight. And there's the pipe right there that goes into the house for our gravity-fed water system. One thing when you're working in a ditch like this, a hole, is that you have to be careful of the sides. The reason why that side collapsed for sure is because when we first got here, we were actually going to dig a cistern by the house, and we were digging it out by hand. Noe, my Amish friend, and myself, we had the hole about 10 feet deep and about 10 feet wide, a big circle hole that we dug out by hand. And then Noe got busy and he didn't come back, and the rain started coming, and I tried to tarp it up, but the rain won and the hole actually collapsed. When the hole collapsed and then I could see the footing to the log cabin, I got kind of nervous about it, so then I just filled the hole in. And you can see from on the wall of this that dirt looks so much different because it's been taken out and then put back in. So we have to be careful with that side there. We're gonna have to dig all this out, and then we just have a little bit more to go on the floor, and then another section. You know, another thing about these type of projects is you think that they're going to be like, we figured this for about a 5-6 hour dig. It looks like a good solid 2-day dig. And some of you guys are asking, why is it so deep? And that's pretty big. You're gonna see how it all comes together, so be patient, but you're not gonna wanna miss it. I'm going to show you guys something about soil real quick too. So it's kind of neat, while we have this hole out, you can kind of see where you have your topsoil. So your topsoil in our area, it runs about 3 to 4 feet, and then it starts getting into a little more clay, and then you'll see down here it's this gray type of soil. Now this gray type of soil right here, they actually call that plastic soil. That's what they call it around here. I'm not a soil expert about what they call it, but that's what they call it. And basically, it doesn't suck the water in. It's very hard to relieve moisture from this type of soil. And also, it's bad for like footings and stuff, because this is at the very bottom. So we had to overcompensate for our footings on this building because of this type of soil at the bottom. You know, so keep your eye out for that. Now that's a lot of dirt. So one thing that you have to remember is to make sure you have a plan for your dirt when you're excavating a hole like that. So as always, thanks for watching. The build's gonna get faster and faster, so stay tuned. Don't miss a beat. We apologize for the YouTube commercials that are coming onto our channel. The midterms are coming up. They're spending all the money that they can on advertising, trying to get their message out. Don't forget, you can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and we'll see you guys on the next video. And we'll see you on August 12th and 13th in Hannibal, Missouri at the Homesteading Life Conference. Link is down below. And get some of our merch. That helps us out too.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a Homestead homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.